What's good, y'all? And I'm back with another video. Today's video is how to get scholarships for free. It's that simple. I'm gonna show y'all how I got mine. University of Minnesota, you see it. And how you can get some free money to go to college. My last video was how to manage social time and schoolwork. And the next video is how to get scholarships for free. I'm hitting y'all back to back with the college videos. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment for more college videos for my college people. I got y'all. Just finished up freshman year a couple months ago. Now we going to sophomore year. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Let's get into it. Definition of scholarships. Scholarships are free money given to you to go to college. These are not loans that you have to pay back. Grants and scholarships are free money given to you that they give it to you and you don't have to worry about nothing. Scholarships are so important because, as everybody knows, college is very expensive. So if you have free money given to you to go to school, that's amazing. You don't have to worry about nothing. You just have to worry about going to class, showing up, getting your grades up, and getting your degree so you can get that paper. That's simple. Scholarships help you fund your education. So you don't have to, so your family doesn't have to. We all love scholarships. We don't mess with loans that you have to pay back. There's multiple types of scholarships. Merit-based scholarships, academic achievements, athletic achievements, need-based scholarships, financial need, specialized scholarships, field of study, demographic specific scholarships. There's a lot of scholarships, guys. If you're good at sports, there's a scholarship for you. If you're good in school, there's a scholarship for you. If you're need-based, there's a scholarship for you. There's a lot of... What I used to do was search up my city or my state scholarships at the end. State scholarships are the best. Your state government has scholarships for you, free money for you. They will pay for your whole college. Minnesota has Minnesota-based scholarship. Every state should have one. Or think of yourself, you specifically, and search up like a characteristic or need you have, and search and put scholarship at the end of it. There's scholarships for you. And if you're still in high school, my high school, they had a lot of links of scholarships. They used to update it every week, every month, of scholarships around town, around the city, around the state. They had local scholarships and they had national. I advise you, local scholarships are the best. The ones that can pay for all of your college or a portion of it. Focus on those ones, because the national ones require a lot of time, a lot of work, and there's a lot of applicants. I heard there's millions of dollars being left on the table unclaimed because people are not applying for these scholarships. So what you're going to do is apply for them. It's free money. It's 500, 1,000, 200, 2,000. Those add up. Once you do those, you can look for the ones that are paying. You want the ones that are paying for everything, though. So your state government scholarships are going to have that. If you have academic achievements, those pay for everything. Athletic, those pay for everything. Like I said, the need ones are good. So if you know you're needed of money that you can't pay, most likely your state or school pay for your whole tuition. Trust me. Either go to your school website or your state government website and look for the scholarships. I'm telling you, those will pay for everything. So if you have they have major scholarships. If you go to study, let's say you're like criminal justice law major locally, retired lawyers or lawyers right now, they will have scholarships in place for incoming college students, because the more students, the more it brings more attraction to their space. Think about it. So they're creating scholarships for everybody, for people in their field of study. Start early. I started later. Look for scholarships junior year, but it's never too late. You might be a sophomore, a junior, a freshman in college. Look for scholarships that are going to pay for your schooling. More than half of it. There's free money out here. You guys have to take advantage of it. Begin your search as soon as possible. Start now. Start after this video and search. Use scholarships database. I advise local scholarships. I don't like the national scholarships. They ask a million questions for little results. Your local scholarships are going to ask for minimal information, and you're going to get the money. There's less applicants. It's so much better. Websites like FastWeb, Scholarship.com, and College Board, those are for your national scholarships. Like I said, local scholarships, then your state, your need, then scholarships, any characteristics you have, put that first, then put scholarships, and search that in Google. Search all those in Google. Search, if you're still in high school, go to your high school website, or if you're not, just find your local scholarships. Community organizations, local businesses have scholarships. Free money towards you, 500, 1,000. That adds up at books, pays for it. Even though your book's online, it could go towards your classes. But we want the big ones that's gonna pay for everything. Preparing your application, like I said, mostly these applications, these long applications are for the national scholarships that I would not lean towards to, because they take too much time and the chances of you winning are very slim. But if you're going this route, because these will pay, these like $75,000, $100,000 scholarships. So if you want to try, test your luck, gather necessary documents, transcripts, letters of recommendation, and personal statements. I had 2 letter recommendations that I never had to use, because the first scholarship I had took care of everything. It didn't ask me for none of that. Like I said, these bigger scholarships ask for essays, ask for 11-page essays. If you want to do that, do that. But while you're doing it, follow instructions carefully. Follow the prompts carefully. Apply to application deadlines. Make sure you're not applying to scholarships that are past due. Pay attention. Follow instructions. Personal statement. Personal statements are one of the most important things they look at. They want a heartfelt story. They want a touching story, because they're giving out this money. They want to give it to people that deserve it. So make sure your story is truthful and that it touches the heart, because the more personal you get, the better. Because they're going to give it to you because they know you need it. By your personal statement, your stories, if it's your letters, your transcripts, your letter of recommendation. Highlight achievement and goals. Make sure all your goals and achievements are one of the first things you mention. You want to show that you are highly decorated, like that you will be trusted with this money because of the things you accomplished. And for your letter of recommendations, don't be grabbing a random person, a random teacher, a random friend, random anything that doesn't know you, because you want someone that's gonna make you look very great when they were talking about you. I picked 2 of my favorite teachers I had the most during high school, and they gave me great letters of recommendation. It's sad that I didn't have to use them, but I was reading them, I was like, wow, the way they typed this out was amazing. So you want that, I want that for you. Make sure they know you very well so they can give you a great letter of recommendation. Writing a winning essay. This is the route you're going if you're going for these bigger scholarships. Understand the prompt. That's one of the most important things. Talk about what they're asking you to talk about. Don't talk about nothing else. Address all parts of the essay. Question. Be authentic. Be yourself. The more touching, the more honest, the more authentic you are, the better. Share your unique story and voice. Everybody has a story. So if you showcase your story, make sure your story is there. Because like I said, if they connect with you, they feel you, they're going to give you that money. Because they feel like you need it. Which you do need it. Proofread and edit. Have someone go over it, copy it, put it through a proofreading site or through AI to make sure there's no mistakes. Ensure your essay is free of errors. You don't want no errors in your essay. You want it to be crisp, clean, and clear. You want to show people you're ready for college. Like I said, for the letter recommendations, choose the right recommenders, teachers, mentors, employers. Provide information. Provide what you want to be in the letter recommendation. Most colleges, most universities ask you to include stuff in your letter of recommendation. So tell whoever is doing your letter of recommendation to include that. It's very helpful. Resume, achievement, and goals. Ask early. Don't ask them a week before it's due, 2 weeks. Give them a month or 2 to do it, but they both did it less than a week. Like one of them did it the next day, the other one did it the week later. So imagine that for next week. No, even though I had a month or two, I still told them and they did it very quickly. So that's what you want to do. Give time to them. Don't be rushing them, because if they're taking time, that means they're giving the best they can give. That means they're giving you good recommendations. Stay organized. Create a scholarship calendar. Track deadlines and application requirements. Keep copies of everything. Save copies of all submissions. See, my school is very useful. They kept all the scholarships on the calendar, and they kept a list of it. So all the local scholarships were in one place. You can apply and go back. But your school might not have that, or you might not be in high school no more. So you have to keep track of this. So keep track of all the scholarships you're applying to, or the ones you want to apply to. Make sure you know the deadlines and requirements. Those two are very important. Additional tips. Apply to as many scholarships as possible. Don't apply to one and give up. Don't apply to 5 and give up. I got very lucky. I did one and done. That could happen to you too. It depends how good your resume is and how good you completed the assignment. That increases your chances of winning. Everything is a numbers game. The more you apply, the more money you get. It's that simple. Or the higher chances of you getting money. It's that simple. Look for essay contests and competitions. Often less competitive. Like I said, I love the local scholarships. Most people are not applying to those because they see the money and they brush it off. Some local scholarships are giving away big money. So keep track of that. With your local school. Check with your school. Your school has plenty of scholarships. Like this one, my school gave me this one. This is a school scholarship. This is not like it's like the same thing. That's why I said those are the two best ones. Your school scholarships and your local government scholarships. Guidance counselors can be valuable resources. That is facts. Counselors gave us a spreadsheet of all the scholarships in the area. They gave us the deadlines. It was perfect. But you might not have that, so you have to do it yourself. So get it done. Like I said, stay organized. Keep a calendar of all your scholarships, local scholarships. Make sure you apply to that. If you want to apply for the bigger national scholarships, make sure you have your essays, all your documents correctly, follow your prompts correctly. Start early. Do your research. Find your school you want to go to. Find the schools you want to go to and look at and apply for the school scholarships they have. And like I said, if you have a specific quality or a specific need you have, put that in Google, put that word, and put scholarship at the end. Let's say me, I'm Nigerian. I would put maybe a Nigerian scholarship, your background, anything. Let's say they even have scholarships. Like let's say even you use glasses. It's hard for you to see. You put that and you put scholarship at the end. People are giving you away money because of your base need scholarships. Apply to as many scholarships as you can. It's free money. Persistence pays off. Keep applying. Don't apply to one and give up. You might apply to one and it's long, it took time, and they might not even give you nothing. So what? Keep applying. Because you're going to find that one that's going to give you money, they're going to do it again. It's that simple. If you guys have any questions, contact me on Instagram or leave comments below on the video. And I'm out. Peace.